the chopped fiber, and we just lay it up over the edges like this. And once we laid up the chopped fiber over it, we just put weights on it to hold it down. And from there, we were able to make this mold over here.
We would cut certain pieces of fiberglass to fill the mold. We would wet it out with resin, with enough resin to ensure that the entire mold and the fiberglass would be completely wetted out for the foam core. After cutting the foam core and placing that inside the tool, we could then fold the overhang of each side of the fiberglass over, wet that out with resin, and make sure that all parts were completely wetted out and had a good finish.